Hi, I'm Bill,
I'm Lori.
and we're celebrating tonight with a mojito. Although I've got vodka in mine, Lori's going to go play pickleball tonight, so she has no vodka in her mojito.
Cranberry
Oh,
mojitos.
cranberry mojito. And the reason we're celebrating is we just put together our Trinity prep table. We purchased it from Costco for $149. It is 24 inches deep by 48 inches wide, and with the casters on, as we have it, it's 38.5 inches high. And I know some people out there have been looking for solutions for their Ooni Koda 16, and this could be a solution. I will include some photographs of this table with the Ooni Koda 16 on it. My only concern is the feet get awful close to the edge, and the way we use it, we roll everything into the garage at night. But if it's stationary, I'm sure it would be fine. So I'm going to include a little bit of footage of some of the parts. It looks very well made. There was no damage anywhere. The box was intact. All the parts were there. And for the complete video on putting it together, check out our, if you're interested, our Facebook page, 12th Avenue Cuisine, and I'll have the long form video there. It took me about 40 minutes to put it together. Part of that time was deciding where I wanted the lower shelf, the height. I had set it at one height and then I changed it. But anyway, from what I can see, for $149, we ordered it. We had it within 7 days. It looks like a very good solution, at least for us, and probably for your Ooni Koda 16 if it's going to be in a stationary place. But anything you got to
No,
add?
it's very pretty. It's very nice. And when I got home from playing earlier or shopping, Bill had it all together, which is a really nice.
Okay, so here's some of the footage showing the structure of some of the parts. And again, for the longer video of me putting it together in its entirety, check out our Facebook page at 12th Avenue Cuisine on Facebook. And that's also the place you'll find complimentary information and recipes to what we're putting up on our YouTube channel. So you might want to check that out from time to time and follow that page as well. All right. This is what I was curious about. So this is the top. And, this was really, looking at it from this side, and I've heard some people say that some of their tables, they have a lot of give in them and everything. And so what they've done is they've reinforced the top here, which is really nice. Step 2. Slide the shelf over each leg to the desired height. Okay, well, I hope this video on the Trinity prep table from Costco for $149 is helpful to you if you're looking for this type of solution. From what I can see, the quality is there for the price, so I'm going to rate this a very good value. And you'll see us use it in our upcoming videos. And so if there's any issues, we'll point that out. But other than that, till next time.
Next time, till next time. Bye.
Bye.